you an entrepreneur? Or should we just say planning to create a small business? Or are you tired of going back and forth to the banks? Then POS is the best for you. What is POS? Point of sale, a critical piece of a point of purchase, refers to the place where a customer executes the payment for goods or services and where sales taxes may become payable. It can be in a physical store where POS terminals and systems are used to process card payments, or a virtual sales point such as a computer or mobile electronic device. With the POS collection service, your company will be able to collect payments from BankNet, ExpressNet, and Megalink. POS collection service allow you to collect payments from your customers anytime, anywhere. It could minimize the risk and cost with handling cash. It could simplify collection process and reconciliation through the daily electronic collection reports. It could also reduce the need to visit the bank to deposit collections. At the same time, your customers will no longer have to line up at ATMs to withdraw cash, and they could track expenses more efficiently since all transactions are recorded in their account statements. Types of POS: terminal, mobile, tablet, and self-service kiosk. The terminal POS system is usually seen in businesses that have a visible cash register or a counter where all the transactions take place. The mobile POS system is generally distributed as a smartphone app that's bundled with a credit card reader attachment. A tablet POS system works where the POS app is installed on the tablet and any optional accessory comes bundled alongside it. The self-service kiosk POS system are specialized solutions meant to allow the customer to facilitate the transaction by themselves without the need for a cashier or human employee. POS collection service accepts over 30 million Megalink, BankNet, and ExpressNet ATM debit cards and cash cards. Provides easy, convenient, and cashless payment options for your customers. Enables mobile and secure collection. Financial institutions such as rural banks can avail of this service and enjoy the following benefits like additional income, increased foot traffic, and secure cash handling. Requirements for POS. These are the documents that you have to submit in applying for POS. Board Resolution or Secretary's Certificate, Cash Management Services Memorandum of Agreement, POS Collection Facility Terms of Service, 2 valid photo-bearing IDs of your company, and POS Terminal Availment Form. You can choose from 2 types of terminals such as wired terminal and wireless terminal. This service is available for all cardholders of Philippine-issued ATM cards, debit cards, and cash cards. Your customers can withdraw any amount between 100 pesos and 10,000 per withdrawal. If you're looking for an easy and convenient mode of collecting payments from your customers, avail POS now.